Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit your map on DJI ROMO. To do it, simply press on your enter button right here, and now you can easily do everything by clicking on this edit map button, and you can do a lot of things here. I'll try to explain everything. So divide lets you divide rooms if, for example, you want to divide them even though they aren't divided by some door, or if the robot just didn't really discover that. So let's click on divide, and now if you'd like to divide, press on the room that you'd like to divide. I have only one, but if you had multiple ones, you could click on the one that you'd like to divide. Now you'll have this arrow and you can adjust it in order to divide the room, and you can see there's different sections here, right? So I'm actually gonna divide it like that. You can see it automatically aligns when it discovers there's a wall that makes sense to divide along that wall. So let's click on save. It's gonna take a little moment, and now the map is saved successfully. You can click on name to rename your rooms. So I'm gonna rename this one to like hallway. Save. And now let's do something else. You can merge the rooms, so when you click on merge, you can basically select these two rooms to merge them together. I'm not gonna do it, but yeah, you can select them to merge them if, for example, you wanna do it the opposite way. So the robot discovered some rooms as two, and it's actually just one that you would like to be recorded as one, because of course editing the map is really useful. Like dividing, merging the rooms is really useful when you want to, for example, just start the cleaning in certain rooms, not in the whole place. So it's, I think, more convenient that way. Now, a no-go zone or a virtual wall. You can add a no-go zone, which when you add, you can resize. And the robot will not go in there. So let's set it like that. And you can also add a virtual wall if you don't want the robot to cross some line. So there's gonna be a line, let's say here, that I don't want the robot to cross, and let's save it. I think it is going to be displayed, so you can always see it. Yes, it is displayed. You can also add a pet area. A pet area increases the suction power, reduces moving speed, and cleans corners more precisely within the area. So let's add a pet area, maybe somewhere here. You can add more, of course. Click on save, and that's how you do it with the pet area. And now the last thing is the carpet. If you have a carpet somewhere, you can place it in the map. So basically, of course, it is going to, I think, recognize carpets automatically, but I think it's better to also, if it didn't discover anything, then you can place it manually. So it'll, for example, not mop on that certain carpet or vacuum deeper. Now let's place a carpet. Okay, it doesn't really want to. Yeah, only when it discovers you can edit it, so I'm not able to do it. And now that is my map. So now I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.